Tēnā no tātou nau mai hara mai ki tēnei, rā ko learning māwai nāwai. I will take you through these slides to give you a better understanding how we use these kupu. Nō reira whai mai. Anei te whakamārama i ngā kupu. In te reo Māori māwai and nāwai are both used to ask questions about who, will, or did something, respectively, with slight differences in tenses. Māwai, who will, or who is going to, used to ask who will perform a future action, or who is responsible for future task. Nāwai is who did, used to ask who performed an action in the past. So māwai is when we are talking of a future action, and nāwai is something that's already happened. Ka pai, māwai. Māwai koe e hari ki te kura. Who will take you to school? Anei e tahi pātai, here are some questions, and also having a look at the translation below to give you a better understanding. Ka pai, māwai ngā kuia e hari ki te marae. Māwai, again, who will, ngā is plural, kuia, elderly woman, hari is to carry or take, kite, to the marae, Ne? And we have two ways that you can use this. Māwai e hari, ngā kuia ki te marae, or māwai ngā kuia e hari ki te marae. Ka pai, there is a slight difference from the top. Māwai ngā kuia e hari ki te marae. Now, the importance of this kōrero is focused on the kuia, and māwai e hari ngā kuia ki te marae is focused on the taking of the kuia to the marae. Ka pai. Ngā rereketanga o ngā kōrero. Once again, I just went over this before. Māwai ngā kuia e hari. This version emphasizes ngā kuia, as I said just before. Ka pai, e māwai e hari ngā kuia. The version place is on who will take. Ka pai, so here's some information here if you need to go back over it. Ka pai. Now let's look at how to answer ngā pātai. Māwai ngā kuia e hari ki te marae. Most times when a question is asked, you would normally reply with the first kupu that they will use. So if it's māwai, you will start with mā. Ka pai? So māwai ngā kuia e hari ki te marae. Who will take the kuia to the marae? We can go mā te tama. Ngā kuia e hari ki te marae. Okay, so the boy will take the kuia to the marae. O mā ngā kōtiro, ngā kuia e hari ki te marae. So the girls will take the kuia to the marae. Ka pai, or secondly, you can go māku. Again, now we're using māku. It will be for me. Māu for you, māna for him or her, and mā hone when we connect the name. So again, māwai ngā kuia e hari ki te kura, ki te marae. Māku ngā kuia e hari ki te marae. I will take the kuia to the marae. O māu ngā kuia e hari ki te marae. You will take the kuia to the marae. Māna ngā kuia e hari ki te marae. He will take the kuia to the marae. Mā hone ngā kuia e hari ki te marae. Hone will take the kuia to the marae. Okay, our third point is now extending using the mā and also a T-class possessive. So mā taku tama ngā kuia e hari ki te marae. A little bit like mā te tama. Now I'm actually making it more descriptive. Now I can say my son will take the kuia to the marae. Okay, so bringing in a T-class possessive, mā taku tama, ngā kuia e hari ki te marae. Ka pai, and the fourth, te mea tuawha, mā māua. Mā māua ngā kuia e hari ki te marae. Now we're using the pronouns, and now we're saying we, myself and my wife, will take the kuia to the marae. Again, you can be māua as in myself and another person. Okay, so that's how we connect our māwai with our pronouns. And then another extension of that, now joining your T-class possessives with your pronouns, which are called possession pronouns. So mā tā māua tama ngā kuia e hari ki te marae. Now I'm saying our boy, as in mine and my wife's son, he will take the kuia to the marae. And the last one, mā a māua tama ngā kuia e hari ki te marae. Again, now we're using the a māua as in for plural. So instead of our boy, we are saying our boys will take the kuia to the marae. Mā a māua tama ngā kuia e hari ki te marae. Ka pai. Okay, translate the following. We have just been over here. So this is a section where we can practice our translating. Mā wai ngā kuia e hari ki te marae. Ka pai, again, we know mā wai, who will. Okay, ngā kuia, who will take the kuia to the marae. Tuarua, number 2, mā wai koe e hari ki te kura a pōpō. Ka pai, mā wai, who will. Koe e hari, flip that around, who will take you to school tomorrow. Mā wai koe e hari ki te kura a pōpō. Tuatoru, mā wai tō kōrua pāpā e tiaki a pōpō. Again, who will tiaki, look after tō, your kōrua, as into your tū's father. Who will look after your father tomorrow? And the last one, mā wai koe e whakahoki ki te kura. Who will whakahoki, return you to the school. Ka pai, nō reira, anei ngā whakautu. Who will take the elderly woman to the marae? Who will take you to school? Who will look after your, once again, talking to two people, father tomorrow? And who will take you back to school? Ka pai. If you need to go back over this, just go back and give it another go. Ka pai. Ka pai, nā wai. Once again, we are now moving into something that has already been done. So who did or who took? Again, one thing to be mindful of with this part of the lesson is with nā wai, you will always have I. Nā wai koe I. Nā wai koutou I, which is a tense indicator for the past. Just like mā wai, you will always have mā wai e. Ka pai? Okay, nā wai koe I hari ki te kura. Who took you to school? Anei e tahi pātai, again, just looking at the difference, like the mā wai, and there's two ways of using it. Nā wai ngā kuia I hari ki te marae. Nā wai I hari ngā kuia ki te marae. Okay, once again, kei a koe te tikanga, up to you which one you want to use. I am more ideal to use the top one, nā wai ngā kuia, ihari ki te kura. Ka pai, ngā rereketanga o ngā kōrero, very similar to the māwai, so I won't spend too much time on this, but you can go over this and have a look in your own time. Ka pai. Okay, again, once again, similar to the māwai, and how you can use it in these 6 different ways. Again, practice in your own time so that you are able to use the nāwai with the 6 different ways that I have given you here as a tauira, as an example. Kia ora no tātou, anei te kaupapa mutunga. Here's our last slide for this lesson. Translating the following using nāwai, a little bit like māwai. Let's go through this together so we get a better understanding. Ka pai, pātai tuatahi. Nā wai ngā kuia I hari ki te marae. Nā wai ngā kuia I hari ki te marae. Okay, if we go back to, now we're saying who took the elderly woman to the marae. Who took the elderly woman to the marae? Tuarua, nā wai koe I hari ki te kura I nānahi. Nā wai koe I hari ki te kura I nānahi. Who took you to school yesterday? Who took you to school yesterday? Tuatoru, nā wai tō kōrua pāpa I tiaki I nānahi. Nā wai tō kōrua pāpa I tiaki I nānahi. Who looked after your father yesterday? Who looked after your father? Talking to 2 people yesterday. And the last, nā wai koe I whakahoki ki te kura. Nā wai koe I whakahoki ki te kura. Who took you back to school? Ka pai, who took you back to school? Kia ora tātou. I hope you've enjoyed these slides, and these give you a better understanding on how to use māwai e and nāwai I. If you need to, just go back to this video and keep going over it until you've got it. Nō reira, tēnā tātou.